Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 24th, our word of the day is beneficent. B-E-N-E-F-I-C-E-N-T. Beneficent. Beneficent is a 10-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Beneficent means helping people and doing good acts. If you're a beneficent person, you probably spend a lot of your time volunteering at soup kitchens or homeless shelters, helping people who are less fortunate than you are. Similar words include benevolent, charitable, altruistic, humane, humanitarian, neighborly, public-spirited, philanthropic. Examples of sentences using beneficent are: in 1909, nuns were running more than 1,000 beneficent institutions. They are a beneficent couple who are regular volunteers at a homeless shelter. Agreed, this is a humane and beneficent policy. She described him as a beneficent employer for women. She was beneficent and passed on a gift to each. Moomen is a beneficent landowner and a friend to many of us settlers. Make sure to save this new word, beneficent, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.